about a month later, we got a replacement. Okay, so yeah, I am in my kitchen recording this because I just got home. We're gonna grab our trusty Kmart knife and slice this open. Hopefully they didn't just repair it because I think it had some water damage as well because as it was sitting in the rain for about 6 hours before I found it. Product care card. We have a product care card. And yeah, it's a brand new drone. Okay, so they didn't replace the controller. Yeah, the controller's not replaced, which I was expecting them because I remember I've had a replacement with my DJI drone before, and they actually just sent it new in a box with a new controller and everything. So this is weird how they didn't replace the controller, but the controller had no issues, so I don't blame them. Let's peel off this gimbal guard. The problem with being under this roof is we don't really have a lot of satellites. We only have 6 satellites here, so that's not great. Usually we get about like maybe 19 to 24 or something, but underneath this roof, we have 8, so it's all right. We're just gonna do our compass calibration. I've activated the drone and everything, but I'm just gonna do this compass calibration. Okay, let's rotate. Calibration success. Takeoff, and this is our first takeoff.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And it's actually pretty steady in the wind. Now, one complaint I've always kind of had with the Mavic Mini is being how loud it is. Let's just do a quick test fly around this. I'm just going to be careful not to hit these roofs. Very steady at the moment, so we should be good. There we go, yeah. Handing test, like that. Yeah, that's good. Our sinus mover test, and yeah, we're flying pretty steadily. Now let's just set our sport mode on, and yeah, good. Yeah, it's not really positioning itself very well. It's kind of like wobbling a little bit, just kind of drifting around because of the GPS, but it's not horrible. It's doing pretty well for the wind, and yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this quick unboxing, setup, and first takeoff video. If you enjoyed this video, considering dropping a like and even subscribing. Subscribing actually helps out the channel, and I want to try get 300 subscribers by the end of the year. I know we can do it. Come on. Anyways, I will see you in the next video, and goodbye.